Transform your Sora creations from raw output to polished perfection by mastering the art of watermark removal. Today, we're diving deep into effective techniques to seamlessly erase those Sora watermarks, ensuring your AI-generated content looks professional and truly yours. First, let's identify the watermark. You'll typically find it as a subtle, often transparent logo or text integrated into the video frame. Our goal is to make it completely undetectable. For subtle watermarks embedded within busy backgrounds, the clone stamp or healing brush tools in most professional editing software are your best friends. Most advanced editing suites like Adobe After Effects, DaVinci Resolve, or even powerful free options offer these. Here's the step-by-step. Load your Sora video into your chosen editor, locate the watermark, and select the clone stamp tool. Sample a clean, representative area of the video adjacent to the watermark. Now, carefully paint over the watermark, matching the texture, color, and lighting of the surrounding pixels. Think of it as subtly repainting that small section of your video. The healing brush works similarly, but intelligently generates new texture based on the surrounding area. Again, sample a clean area and then paint over the watermark. This is particularly effective for softer, less defined watermarks, allowing for incredibly natural blending. For watermarks that move with the content, especially if they overlap with crucial elements, we'll need a more sophisticated approach. Many advanced editors offer content-aware fill or object removal tools, often powered by AI. In these tools, you'll typically draw a mask around the watermark. The software then analyzes the surrounding frames to deduce what should be in that area and intelligently fills it. This might involve motion tracking to ensure the fill stays consistent as the video plays. The key to a truly invisible removal is meticulous attention to detail after the initial removal. Zoom in and inspect every frame. Look for any inconsistencies, unnatural patterns, or slight distortions. You might need to go back with your cloning or healing tools for fine-tuning. Color correction and subtle blurring can also be crucial. Ensure the lighting, color, temperature, and overall texture of the removed area perfectly match its surroundings. This final polish is what makes the watermark truly disappear. By combining these powerful tools and techniques, you can ensure your Sora-generated videos are not just visually appealing, but also free of any distracting marks, presenting a flawless and professional final product for any application.